Alright, here on Easter Sunday, and now I'm going to find out what the hell's going on here. You guys know the history. These people eating brunch also want cold beer, so that's why I'm here. Bye. And the pressures for a 134A system are way off. Why it's 134A is because this was an R12 system and we retrofitted to that the convection fan is not, or it's dead. Probably fucking dead. Let me see if I change the spin.
Hope I got a blazing truck.
Alright, got the fan off finally. That was not. The set screw is fine. It just came loose. Okay, burn. The shaft moves freely, barely in. So it just fell off through vibration. But make sure you give it a spin. Make sure it's not going to hit anything. Skid to. Now we're almost halfway out to make sure it sucks the most amount of air in this. I'm going to show up the real parts house. See if this motor most likely. Doesn't matter. It'll work. Boom. Alright, that came on. For invoicing and whatnot. Going back to measure quick as it cleans up to where it should go. Hot box, cold outside. We should get there quickly. Alright, here's the beer walk-in. There's my probes. They're just coming down. Maybe find what the pressures are. Pressure, not great, but then again, it's like 50 degrees outside. Came off because someone didn't tighten down the set screw and caused me to come out here on Easter Sunday. Alright, here I am. They tried to reset the breaker clip. First thing is you want to look at that breaker that's no longer tripped. 4B, though you can't see it. This is now the way, as you can see from this wiring that controls power going to the one solenoid. It also sends power to the fan delay. 3. We'll switch that power and set it, and that defrost is stuck. So I want to check power on the defrost clock to verify it's even. See what happens. Power between what is considered line 1, line 2. Follow the whip. And what the fuck? Might be cut off. Can't really tell. So it looks like one of those lines is burnt. It's likely tripped. So I'm going to need to get this off here to get power back to the defrost clock, which again controls the evaporator. So as you might be able to tell, there was a rub out on one of these wires. Turn on the breaker, restore power to the defrost clock, get this funker thing back on. Let's see how thing for why it's still not getting power. I turned that breaker back on. Why the fuck? There is a breaker right here. If this break, so now I'm going to connect these together without this bullshit fuse in here. Alright, to summarize, caused no power from there, tripped the breaker, one size 15 amps on a 20 amp circuit, and it blew. And no one would know it's pressure's back on. Pipes feel good. I'm not going to gauge up on something like this. So I'm just going to clean up and get off this roof